Hey guys, welcome to my course. This course is about how to start working with Barcode Scanner or Barcode Reader in your VB.NET or C# projects. The Barcode Scanner is really great idea for searching quickly the products or our goods in markets or shops for speed up our sale process. I'm Musavi with more than 20 years of experiences in programming languages such as C#, VB.NET, SQL Server, and other languages and electronic circuit design. Here I am to share my knowledge with you. Now let's see how. First of all, I'm going to talk about how to generate some sample barcodes and how to print it on the paper. And after that, I'm going to show you how to read these barcodes by using the barcode scanner. And after that, I'm going to show you how to create the database for your product list and write some product barcodes inside it. So it's time to connect this database to our application in C# or VB.NET. I created this course separately for C# programmers and VB.NET programmers, so you can easily choose your own course based on your programming languages. After creating this database, I'm going to show you how to start working with SQL Server AD.NET technology to connect your database to your dataset inside your project, and after that, how to connect your dataset to your form and start working with the barcode scanner and start searching your products and your goods. And this is the application that I'm going to talk about it in this course. I created this application from scratch, and based on the SQL Server AD.NET technology, I created this application. And after that, I'm going to show you how to use the table adapter to connect your database and search your barcodes. And this is the result. If I select over here and put my scanner on my paper, this is the result. Easily and quickly I can search my barcode. Now let's see next one. Great. This is the beep of my barcode scanner, and it means that barcode scanner found the barcode. So this is. And after reading the barcode by barcode scanner, I write the code for searching it in my SQL Server database, and this is the result. You can search it manually or easily and automatically by your barcode scanner, quickly and easily, like this, and this. This is really great one, and you can use the technology of this course, add it to your applications such as accounting applications or shopping applications, and you can easily double your speed while you're saving your customer invoices in your shop or your market. This is a really amazing course, and I'm waiting for you. Don't hesitate to join this course.